Welcome back. I'm here with Unice again. So same packaging as usual. So that's it. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm seeing the wig, which we're gonna get into. I also got this edge brush and comb, and I got an extra head down here with a brush on it. I got a branded Unice elastic band. I got a pair of HD wig caps. Let's get into today's wig, which is a pre-everything. It's a 7x5 by knots lace wig. It's a pre-everything. It's all listed on it. So let's get into it. This is how I got the wig out the package. It has this roller set, roller in like in the bang area. Guys, this is gorgeous. So this is Unice's pre-everything curtain bang wig. It's a loose wave, or it's a body wave texture rather, and it's 7x5 with the lace size. So it's a 7x5 lace closure, has an elastic band on the inside, comb in the back, and the ear portion is curved, so you know it will sit comfortably on your head. It has the non-slip strip around the cap, and the knots are bleached, so you know the definite bye knots vibe. It looks so realistic. I love that. All right, this is a ready to wear wig. It's a very natural looking wig, like the way it's done and everything. The specific length of this is 24 inches long. Look at that luster, it's so gorgeous, and it's silky too, also very full. I absolutely love this, and I can't wait to go ahead and install. It's gonna be very quick, very beginner. It's gonna be very quick, very beginner friendly. I am excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and slip it on. I love that they had put this in there, because you know you have that, it give that nice blowout, like, you know, big, sexy, voluminous wave vibe. That's how it looks in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and slip this on. Let's go. Okay. Guys, to be honest, it's been a very long time since I've really rocked a nice like bang look, because over time I just kind of didn't want like the heavy bang vibe. But you see, this fringed like curtain bang look is giving. This is giving. What I noticed right off the bat, I'm gonna have to cut it down just a tad so that it won't like be in my eyes, but just a very little bit of it. Oh my gosh, guys, this is flawless. There is not much I need to do. There is not much I need to do. I absolutely love that. I'm just gonna cut a little bit, just a tad bit down. Gosh, and the fact that it comes pre-everything, you know, everything is already done for you. What I feel like I want to do is bump it a little bit. Or I feel like the thing already bumped it. It's just for me to play around with it. Like, you really could just take this out the package and go ahead and put it on just like you see me do. You just need to finesse it to your liking. And the fact that I don't have to go in with any concealer right there is gorgeous. Like, the layer job on this, the way they layered this is perfection. Like, and the fact that it's glueless, like, what? So all I want to go in and do is kind of perfect, like re-curl the sides here so that they fall exactly how I want them to fall right out of the packaging. It does look good and everything, but you know, because it was in there and stuff, it probably, you know, it changes the form. So I'm just gonna go over that. But the wig, the hair, minimal shedding, just so you guys know. But this is to die for. This is actually so, this is so cute. Like, it's so cute. I absolutely love this vibe. I can't tell you guys when last it's been since I did like this whole bang vibe, and it's refreshing. It's not too heavy on the face. As I said, that's one of the biggest reasons why I haven't been exploring bang looks, because I don't like the heavy bang vibe anymore. No, not my style. I love this fringed look. It is so light and gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and recurl the sides, and then we can get into probably another style just to give you guys variety of how you could wear this wig. Guys, I kid you not, like, this hair is so soft. Like, you're gonna love it. It's super silky, super soft. It feel good, man. Unice, you did your thing. Absolutely. Just kind of like shaking my head so it can like literally just fall. And this is also very secure. Let me give my head a shake. Literally super secure on my head. It's hot, the truth, no man. The wig nice. I think I have to say this is my favorite curtain bang wig so far. So that's look number 1. Now we're gonna just do like probably a nice little updo vibe. I kind of want it to have this nice like messy vibe to it. Get our scrunchie. I kind of opted for a scrunchie like this, and I'm just gonna, you know, do my little ponytail. And then I'm gonna do my little bun. You guys know I love to do my little bun. So you see we have that very kind of effortless vibe going. Isn't that cute? So that's the second look with the wig. You could definitely like even do like 2 ponytails or something. Yes, I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig down below if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself. You know, it's given fresh look for 2025. I don't know, yeah, definitely giving something different. But yeah, I'm gonna put all the specifications as well down below. Any sale, any deal going on, that will be listed. Yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, because you guys know I keep you on your toes with these wig looks. Like, I be pushing them out like left, right, and center, so you don't want to miss out on when I, you know, put up a new look over here. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for checking it out, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.